So yeah, been thinking. I have a lot of games, lots of games. Right? Let's play Subway Surfers. I'm
Get up.
yeah, and guys, I'm hoping I do not get mad playing this game. Cause I never get mad playing Subway Surfers.
Be so for real.
Yeah, why you said be so for real? I never got mad. Okay, we are playing Subway Surfers. So, yep. I am pretty good at this game. I used to play this game actually. It's been 2 years since I ever played this game. Sorry if I haven't been posting lately. I was a bit busy doing school and stuff. And trying to come up with video ideas. So yeah. I hate these shoes, bro. Yo, these shoes I hate these shoes. Save. Ah. I said ooh.
Good. This is your
A wasp? A wasp? Dang. That guy's. Some people might be scared of spiders, but I'm not. Yeah, why you look like I'm scared of spiders?
You're scared of some.
I'm not scared of no spiders. What you mean by that? That's not nothing. I didn't. Not used. So nothing bad happened right there. Toy did not do something. I'm to say safe. Why? Have you guys ever wondered why this kid's on the tracks? Like, she's trying to get to a place? Okay. Okay. No free advertising, guys. Yeah, should I probably do a race? Dang. Damn. No! Yes! I'm locking in. If I be quiet, I'm locking in. Oh my god. This is the first time I'm ever gonna get all the coins as soon as I stop the game out there. Okay. So yeah, guys, I am locking in. Oh, just in time. Just in time too, bro. Oh my god. Okay, we're doing a race, guys. Keep going. Clones. They have to clones, okay.